instead. That's good. So I'll leave a link for him down below, and then you can buy these off Heaven Made Products. I'll leave a link for them down below as well. But today we're going to try the all-purpose. We're going to put that on the chicken, and I can't believe the timing. Hey y'all. What I'm going to do at this point, I'm just going to cut a little bit of quick slicing up on this chicken. So I'm going to take off this little tail bit. That's pretty well useless. We want that hanging. A little bit extra skin along here. We'll pull that off. You could trim the wings. I think I'm going to leave the wings as is. I was also thinking about spatchcocking this chicken, but I think I'm just going to hang it whole. See what we get. And you do want a sharp knife to do this. Unfortunately, this knife is getting a little dull. Go ahead and trim up this as well. Check our cavity. Good. Otherwise, that's pretty much all you do for trimming up the chicken. So I'm going to go ahead and hang it right now. I hang 2 hooks in the breast, like 1 in each breast. Push that through. Hang the other one here. Push that up on in too. There we go. And then I'm going to hang these. Eventually, I'm going to hang these with this, and just hang that like that away. I'm going to go ahead and dust this up, and I'll show you that in a second. So here we go, gang. It's time to dust that chicken up. This is the dust we're going to be using. Rich's River Dirt, all purpose. You want to give a literal coating on this chicken. So I'm going to go ahead and dust it. All sides. Wings and legs. Oh man, that even smells good already. I tell you, I've been real excited about trying this out. If there's anyone who knows rubs and spices, it's Rich. He's got an amazing spice collection. Just gonna go ahead and push that in a little bit. We're gonna let this sit for a bit, let the fire go, and then we'll put her on. Alright, so it's about time to get our fire started. So what I did here is fill up the pit. I'm gonna take about 15 coals. I'm gonna go ahead and throw those into our chimney. Light that, and then stick them back in the middle. Alright, now it's time for the fire. So we got a couple of pecan chunks in there. Our coals are looking real ashy and good. I'm gonna dump it straight in the middle. I'm gonna put our grill back together again, and then we're gonna start cooking. Here we go, roll on smoke. So like before, we got it set up. This is the 18.5 Weber Smokey Mountain with the gateway rack. So I got 3 hooks that are still in there, and then 3 hooks I'm gonna use for the chicken too. So I'm just gonna hang it in straight away like this. great. That is looking good. Looking real good. Episode 165. I think I pulled through on this side. Episode 165. I'm gonna set this on down here and bring her inside and let it rest for a while. Ooh boy, that is one good looking chicken. And I'll tell you, it does look burnt, but it is not. That is just pure smoke. As you can see, it's perfect temperature. This thing is just oozing juice. As moist as anything. Let me go ahead and pull off a little bit. Give it a taste. We got our okra ready to go on. Rice is cooking. Oh man, that's juicy. Our rice is cooking. We're about ready to plate up in a little bit after this. It's just falling apart. Let's see if we can grab a fork. Do a quick taste test. And I'm gonna let it rest for a while too. Skin is crunchy as anything. This is dripping juice. That's good. That Rich's River dirt rub, so dang good. That chicken dinner perfect on the gateway rack too. So if you don't have a gateway rack in your Weber Smoky Mountain, if you want a pit barrel cooker and you have a Weber Smoky Mountain, get you one. It's well worth it. And take a look at Rich too. His rubs are fantastic. And till later. Take care, people.